When it comes to managing payroll, both Zoho Books and Patriot Accounting offer their own set of tools, but which one truly stands out for your business? In this video, we'll dive into the payroll options available with Zoho Books versus Patriot Accounting, and by the end, you'll have a clear idea of which software can streamline your payroll process. Stick around because I'll even share a better alternative at the end, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. Let's start with Zoho Books. Known for its comprehensive accounting features, Zoho Books integrates payroll as part of its overall suite of financial tools. However, payroll is a bit of a secondary focus here. While you can manage employee records, calculate taxes, and pay employees, Zoho Books doesn't have the depth of payroll features you might find with more specialized software. For example, there's no automatic filing of payroll taxes at the federal and state levels, which is something many businesses need to streamline their operations. Next, let's talk about Patriot Accounting. This software is designed with payroll as a core feature, and it shows. Patriot Accounting stands out for its simplicity and ease of use. Their payroll system lets you pay employees with direct deposit, calculate taxes, and even file payroll taxes directly with the IRS. It's a robust offering for small businesses that need payroll without the complexity or hefty cost of more advanced systems. But Patriot Accounting does have its drawbacks. It lacks some of the advanced accounting features that Zoho Books provides. For example, if you need in-depth reports on your finances or want to integrate payroll data into more complex financial workflows, it falls short compared to Zoho Books. Now, let's move on to the pricing aspect. Zoho Books is generally more expensive than Patriot Accounting, especially when you add payroll functionality on top of the basic plan. This could be a deal breaker for smaller businesses or startups looking to save on costs. Patriot Accounting, on the other hand, offers a more budget-friendly payroll service, especially if you're only looking for a straightforward payroll solution without the need for additional accounting features. The fourth thing worth mentioning is the support for multiple states. Zoho Books is great for businesses operating in a single state, but if you have employees in different locations, you'll quickly find that it lacks robust support for multi-state payroll. Patriot Accounting has a slight edge here, offering more flexible options for multi-state payroll management, which can be a game changer for businesses with remote workers or multiple locations. Next, let's talk user-friendliness. Zoho Books is packed with features, but that can also make it overwhelming for someone new to accounting and payroll. The learning curve is definitely there, and it may take some time to get comfortable navigating the platform. Patriot Accounting, on the other hand, shines when it comes to ease of use. It's clean, simple, and intuitive, making payroll a much quicker process, even if you've never handled it before. At the end of the day, both Zoho Books and Patriot Accounting offer solid payroll features, but each comes with its own set of trade-offs. Zoho Books is perfect if you need an all-in-one accounting solution, but if payroll is your main concern and you want something that's cost-effective and simple to use, Patriot Accounting might be the better choice. That being said, after trying both of these myself, I've found that there's actually a better alternative if you're looking for something that combines both ease of use and advanced payroll features. It's a game changer, and if you want to check it out, I highly recommend you take advantage of the free trial through the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. So, if you're serious about finding a more efficient payroll solution, don't miss out on this opportunity to explore the better option for your business.